parents, check this out. These researchers tested 4 different ways to teach preschoolers their letters to find out which one gave kids the biggest reading boost. And what they discovered was amazing. But we're not just going to tell you what worked. We're going to break it all down and give you step-by-step instructions you can start using today. So, if your child is just starting to read, or you want a proven strategy to help a struggling reader finally catch up, this might be your new secret weapon. Researchers at Vanderbilt and Indiana University studied 72 preschoolers, kids aged 4 to 5, and split them into 4 groups. One group typed letters on a keyboard, another typed in different fonts, one traced letters, and one wrote letters freehand, like on blank paper. Each child practiced just 12 lowercase letters, 6 short sessions, only 20 minutes each. That's 2 hours total over 2 weeks. Then they tested all the kids, before and after, to measure how well they could name, recognize, and write letters. And the results were big. Kids in the handwriting groups, both tracing and freehand, crushed the typing groups in every single category. Letter naming, handwriting kids improved by up to 26%. Typing kids, only 14%. Letter recognition, up to 22% higher in the handwriting groups. And free writing, the kids who used pencils improved by up to 20% in writing accuracy. That's more than double the gains of the typing groups. Why? Because writing letters by hand strengthens the brain's motor visual link, helping kids remember what a letter looks like, how it feels to make, and how it connects to sounds and words. Typing skips all of that. It's like tapping random shapes instead of learning how to draw them. So if your child is learning to read, especially if it's been a struggle, here's what this study says to do. 1. Start with tracing. Give your child dotted outlines of letters. Let them trace over them with a crayon or marker, just like the kids in the study. 2. Then move to copywriting. Put a letter on one side and ask them to copy it next to it. After a few rounds, ask them to write it with no help. 3. Skip the typing apps. At least for now, even though they look educational, they didn't help kids in this study learn letters as effectively. Keep it short. Each practice session was just 15 to 20 minutes. You don't need hours, just consistency. 5. Use real writing tools. Let them hold pencils, crayons, or markers. The hand movement is what makes the magic. 6. Celebrate messy letters. If they write it backwards or wobbly, great. It means their brain is learning through doing. Because kids don't need perfect letters. They need real experience. And that starts with something as simple as putting pencil to paper. If you want to give your toddler a head start, or help your child with a reading delay build confidence, this is your shortcut. To read the full study, check the link in the description below. And if you're looking for more science-backed ways to help your child read faster, better, and with more joy, subscribe to this channel. We turn big research into simple parenting wins, one study at a time.